All right, welcome everyone. Let's talk about leads today. You may have discovered this problem. Maybe you don't have enough leads. Now, the reality is getting leads for the surplus funds business is pretty straightforward, pretty simple, pretty easy. It's probably the easiest step in the process. A lot of people do get stuck here because they get excited at the amount of opportunity that's out there when they start seeing how much money is laying around. But if you don't fall into that, then this video should help you. So let's dive right in. As far as leads go, guys, first let's define a lead. What's a lead? A lead is simply someone who is owed surplus funds or overages from a tax sale or a mortgage foreclosure. Okay. I call them mo's and toes. Mortgage overages are just money left over from a bank foreclosure of a mortgage. Toes are tax overages, and those are just monies left over from a tax sale auction. Okay, so that's the difference between the two types of leads, mo's and toes. There are four ways to get leads in this business, guys. Here are the four ways. Number one, you can get lists online simply by Googling surplus funds or excess proceeds, excess funds. Just Google and you'll find lists online. Okay. Number two is request lists from the counties or from the courts. Okay. Number three is to create your own lists, okay, by monitoring auctions and discovering which property sold for more than what was owed to the bank or the county. And then, of course, number four is you can buy lists, okay? There are people that sell surplus funds leads and all that good stuff, okay? Now, these four ways, I teach you how to generate leads in all four ways, all four methods in my program, okay? If you have access to it, you can just go to module one, right? Create leads, show you how to find lists online, how to find mortgage overages, how to find tax overages, how to create your own lists, how to request lists, okay? All of that is included in the program. Very important that you learn how to source leads because if you can source leads or if you can get leads at a moment's notice, you never run out of opportunity to generate income in your business. And that's very important, right? If you can always get leads for your business, then you always have the opportunity to generate income in your business. Okay. So it's really important that you develop that skill of getting leads. And I show you how in my program. The other thing too is you do have access to leads in my program. Okay. If you go down to the bonuses, there's the $1 million lead vault. This is just a list of leads where the total surplus is at least $1 million that you can recover. Usually it's like two or three, but it's a minimum of $1 million worth of surplus leads in there that you can have access to at any moment, anytime, if you're a member of the program. Okay. So if you want access to those trainings and those leads, there they are. That's where you go to get them. If you're not a member of the program yet, would highly recommend that you join if you want access to those. And the link is down below, or just go to overagesyndicate.com to learn more. But guys, these are the four ways to generate leads, okay? And again, I dive deep into how to do this, but so let's recap before we log off today. You can gather lists online. You can request lists from counties and courts. You can make your own lists. That's my favorite way, by the way, or to teach people to make lists for you. That's what I like to do. And then, of course, you can buy lists as well from list providers, places like Surplus Lead Pro and stuff like that. All right. That's all I've got for you today. I hope that helps, guys. And I appreciate you watching. If you want to learn more about how to get started in the surplus funds business, just check out overagesyndicate.com or the resources down below in the description of this video. Appreciate you watching.